Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to change a bathtub spout. Let me show you why we need to change this, and this is a common problem. When you turn the water on and you would like to take a shower, you normally just lift this lever and the water will stop. But as you can see, this water continues to run. So this one is broken. Some bathtub spouts will just pull off. And then some will have an inset screw on the bottom that you can unscrew to release this. This particular spout, however, screws off. So what we want to do is get a pair of channel locks. And we want to twist it off. You don't want to use a lot of force because there is a plumbing pipe behind this which will expose it shortly. But we just want to continue to twist until we can remove it. While you have the spout off, it's going to be a good idea to go ahead and clean the area where the old spout was. And the next thing we're going to need is some Teflon tape. It's just white Teflon tape. And what this is for is to put on this threaded area to help seal when we put the new spout back on. And you'll just take it and wrap it around this pipe a couple of times. I like to go clockwise because that is the direction the new spout is going to turn. And you'll just tear it off. And now it's ready for our new spout. If you'll look inside of this bathtub spout, when you pull up on that, there is a water valve, a water cutoff valve. And that is what was broken on the old spout, so that's why we had to change it. And that is a common problem. But now all we do is you'll just take the new one and you'll just place it on there and you'll just twist it clockwise. Then you'll turn your shower on. And as you see, now we have a shower. Thanks guys for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.